Imagine this. You just bought fresh meat for dinner, only to find out later it could make you sick. That's exactly what's happening right now with one of the biggest recalls in the food industry. And here's the shocking part. Most people don't even know about it yet. Today, we're diving into the Smith Packing meat and poultry recall, what it means for you, how to stay safe, and why these recalls keep happening. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look for in your kitchen and what to throw out. Smith Packing Company, based in New York, recently recalled over 200,000 pounds of meat and poultry products. The reason? They were produced without proper inspection. That means no one verified if the food was safe before it hit store shelves. Now think about that for a second. Food going directly from a factory into people's homes, bypassing the very checks designed to protect us. Exploding head. And this isn't just about one company. Food recalls happen more often than we realize. Sometimes it's contamination, sometimes it's mislabeling, and sometimes, like in this case, it's skipped safety checks. Quick question for you. When you buy meat, do you actually check the packaging for labels like USDA inspection marks? Be honest, Backhand Index going down, drop your answer in the comments. I'm curious how many people actually pay attention. Here's why this recall matters. Uninspected meat doesn't mean it's automatically unsafe, but it does mean we don't know if it's safe. And when it comes to food, uncertainty is dangerous. Think about it. One contaminated batch can affect thousands of families. And the scariest part? By the time recalls are announced, many people have already eaten the food. So what should you do? Heavy check mark first. Check your freezer and fridge for any Smith Packing products. Heavy check mark second. Always look for official inspection marks when buying meat. Heavy check mark, and third, stay informed. Recalls happen, and the faster you know, the safer you'll be. At the end of the day, food is supposed to bring people together, not put them at risk. And sometimes, a little awareness can make all the difference. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button so more people see it. Subscribe for more food tips, hacks, and important updates, because your health and safety come first. Now tell me, have you ever been affected by a food recall before? Share your story below.